So my name is Muhammad Salman bin Muhammad Shawal and my matrix number is 01DEM21F1065. I'm going to talk about the introduction. An inspector of work IOW is key figure in construction and engineering projects, responsible for ensuring quality, compliance and seamless execution of endeavors. This role involves meticulous oversight to guarantee the construction activity align with approved plans, meet stringent quality standards, and comply with relevant regulation. The inspector of work conducts regular on-site inspection, maintain detailed documentation, and communicate effectively with stakeholders to address issues promptly. With a keen eye for detail and a comprehensive understanding of construction practice and safety protocol, this inspector of work play a crucial role in preventing deviation from project specification, contributing to the overall success and longevity of project and serving as an essential component of the project management team. And then main idea of inspector of work IOW, and I'm going to talk about duty and work scope of inspector of work. Number one, inspector of work responsible to ensure that the structural, mechanical and electronic technical aspect of the building structure are carried out in accordance with plan, codes and required standards. Number two, they are responsible for implementing laws and regulations related to the design, construction and construction procedure. Number three, they conduct inspection, prepare reports and make recommendation, prepare cost estimate for specific tasks, and evaluate specific properties. Number four, they work in the office and outdoor sites during construction and when the structure is complete. And the last one, they ensure compliance with the construction, assembly and installation specification of component and product in construction and manufacturing.
My name is Muhammad Amrin Umar Abdullah. My matric number is 01DM21F1042. Today I'm going to present you a little bit about the responsibility of the inspector of work. First thing first, the job for inspector of work is to read blueprints and instruction to understand the quality of expectation of product and consumable. Secondly, select inspector of work, select the output sample and use the appropriate method. Measurement size, test function, comparison with specification and so on. Moving on, another job for inspector of work is to maintain record of test information and various indicators such as the number of defective product per day. Next, inspector of work prepare and submit reports to quality manager. Supervise the construction of the building to ensure that the quality and the use of material meet the specification. Lastly, inspector of work inspect the material used on behalf of the architect to ensure the quality of the work done.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Fakri. My matrix number 01DM21F1067. Now, I want to talk about academic qualification for registration as an inspector of work with BEM. First, engineering diploma awarded by Malaysia. Minimum diploma is engineering accredited by the Board Engineering Technology Accreditation Council. Minimum diploma in engineering accredited by Malaysian Qualification Agency or equivalent recognized by BEM. Second, engineering diploma awarded by other country. Diploma in engineering accredited by a professional body who are signatory of WACOD.
Hi everyone, my name is Yogan Subramaniam. My matrix number is 01DEM21F1059. So I'm here to explain about the qualification of inspector of work. So the first thing is the inspector of work must reach the minimal parchment position. So as an inspector of work aspirant, he or she should registered under externship. and must work under the supervision of registered IOW and under registered mastermind with much needed experience. And the third thing is he or she can apply to be registered IOW subject to the ensuing conditions. So uh, the first thing is diploma holders, minimum 2 times experience, and degree holders with 1 times experience. So in order to gain enrollment as an IOW, the intern of IOW has to attend BEM approved IOW courses during his internship period. So the main thing about qualification is that inspector of work must typically needs a background uh, in engineering, construction and related fields, and they often holding a degree in a civil engineering or similar discipline. So they also should possess a strong knowledge of building codes, construction practices, and quality assurance procedures. So the practical experience in construction and attention to detail communication skill is the ability to interpret technical drawings are also crucial qualifications for this role. Thank you.
For the conclusion is, applicant with engineering diplomas must register as an engineering inspector IOW if they want to be an engineering inspector IOW. The registered IOW shall abide by the code of conduct determined by the board of directors. Engineering inspector ensure that the structural, mechanical and electronic technical aspect of the building structure are carried out in accordance with plans, codes and required standard. Representing building execution and other financial institutions to ensure the building are constructed in accordance with their requirement and mortgage agreement.